Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a professional way to fully customize your Windows 11 experience by changing your drive icons. We'll go beyond the default appearance of driver icons in Windows 11 and learn how to set any image you like for your local drives, giving your computer a unique and organized look. It's a simple yet effective system tweak that every advanced user should know. I have a folder containing a collection of images in icon format. However, there's an important technical point to know. Windows won't recognize standard formats like PNG or JPG for this purpose. Therefore, these images must be in .ico format to function as system icons. Okay, let's get started quickly. We need to access the Windows registry. Go to the search box on the taskbar and type Registry Editor, and then open the application. Next, use the left sidebar to navigate between folders and keys. You need to expand the sections until you reach the path shown on your screen, and I will leave the path in the video description so that you can copy and paste it directly into the Registry Editor's title bar. Please follow the path exactly as shown on your screen right now. Once you have the path open, right-click on the DriveIcons folder, select New, and then click on Key. Before we name this new key, let's open this PC. To check the drive you want to customize, it is essential to know the specific drive letter for the partition you are changing. For this example, I am going to change the icon for my C drive, so I will name the new key C. Next, right-click on your newly created C key, go to New, and select Key once more. Name the second key DefaultIcon. Make sure to type it exactly as you see it on the screen, as one word, without spaces, and with the D and I capitalized. This is the standard Windows naming convention for system icons. With the DefaultIcon key selected, move to the right-hand pane, and double-click on the default value. This will open the Edit String window. In the Value Date field, we will enter the path to the icon we want. Now, we need the full path to the icon. Go to the Icons folder, or the folder containing your icons. Right-click on the icon file you selected, then select Copy as Path. If you don't find this option in the menu, right-click on the file, select Show More Options, and then click Properties. You can copy the full path from the Location field and add the file name at the end. Once you have the path, return to the Edit String window in the Registry Editor, paste that path directly into the Value Data field, and click OK. Now open this PC, and press the F5 key to refresh the window. You will notice that the C drive icon has been immediately updated to the custom image icon that we just set. To apply this to another drive, we simply repeat the same process. I'm going to do this now for my D drive. Right-click on the DriveIcons folder again, create a new key, and name it D. Just like before, right-click on the D key, create another new key, and name it DefaultIcon. Go back to the Icons folder, right-click on the second icon you want to use, and select Copy as Path. Return to the Registry Editor, double-click the default value inside your new folder, and paste the path into the Value Data field. Open this PC one more time, and hit F5 to refresh. You'll see that the D drive icon has instantly updated to the new custom image. It's a clean and professional way to distinguish your drives at a glance. And in the same way, I will create an icon for drive E. You can customize any icon for the drive you want. And if you ever want to revert to the original Windows icons, the process is just as simple. You can either open the Edit String window and clear the path from the Value Data field, or you can simply delete the new keys you created for each drive letter. Once you refresh, Windows will immediately return to its default drive icons. That concludes our tutorial on how to professionally customize your drive icons using the Registry Editor. It is a great way to personalize your workspace and make your most important drives stand out. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more technical tips and IT solutions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.